You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases, the name of this game show. If you want to learn more confusing French vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. French pronunciation, Jeux sans frontières, meaning games, jeux, the X is silent, Jeux sans frontières. Jeux sans frontières, in English you can say it as Jeux sans frontières. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.